Okay, if a question asks us to fully factorize this sum, we're going to need to do the algebraic long division first of all to get the quotient, and then probably need to factorize that. So one thing at a time, let's go through our three-step rule for this. If you don't know the three-step rule, go to one of my earlier videos and show you how to do this division in just 3 steps. Well, 3 steps over and over again. So the first step, what do we times that by to get that? And it's going to be 4x squared. Then swoosh that shit underneath there, times that under there to get 4x cubed plus 12x squared. And then the final step, we're going to minus those. That obviously cancels out to make 0. Minus 8 minus 12 gives us minus 20x squared. Now we do what time? Start the first step again. What do we times that by to get that? It's going to be minus 20x. And then we swoosh that, times it by that underneath there. Nice fluid motion to give us the minus 20x squared minus 60x. And we'll bring that geezer down there, 35x. And we're going to minus these two from each other. That minus that is obviously 0 because they are the exact same thing. Minus 35 minus minus 60 is going to give us a nice plus 25x. Be careful with those double negatives. And then what do you times that by to get that is going to be 25. Swoosh that shit underneath there to give us 25x plus 75. Bring that 75 down. And when we minus those, we see that it cancels out with no remainders. Okay, so that's the first step done. But to fully factorize it, we now need to factorize this. Now, that's not looking too pretty, so we need to be careful here. But we know it's going to be x plus 3 and then 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. Now, we need to be pretty hot on our quadratic factorization here because this is not an easy one. However, when you're good at it, you will spot that it is just a case of x plus 3 and then these will be 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 again. And we could just write that as x plus 3 2x minus 5 squared, and that will be fully factorized. So find the quotient, then always be aware that we might need to factorize that quotient, and it's fully factorized.